Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just want to do a review for the week. Here's silver on a daily chart. The price just barely tagged 14 and bounced off. Went all the way to 1440 or so, and then back down. It looks like it's doing a. I imagine on Sunday night, this Sunday night, it's gonna 3 o'clock in the morning. They're gonna smash this thing below 14 when no one's watching. So I just wanted to bring that up. They always like to do that on a Sunday night. Just on a long term, you can see that it's broke down from the double bottom, and on a monthly, finally, on silver, the double bottom, and 14 is its last tether. So it's about 13 points, 13.5 points away from breaking down. Here's the gold monthly chart. And I drew a couple horizontal lines there on support and resistance. You can see where gold had broken down here, consolidated inside, tried to break free, but then came right back in, and now it closed below its previous low, previous two lows. This is called a bearish retracement, breaking down from here, and then gaining speed to come back to the support resistance line, and then backing off. So I think gold is going to go down. I think I stated earlier in a video that I think it's going to go down to right around here, 975, 980, dip below 1,000, and then where it goes from there I don't know, because this is a large area of support. So we'll see what happens. Now the S&Ps and the Dow, both the media is saying it had the best week all year, and you can see the long candle it had. But all it's done is it whipsawed from here, broke down, and then retraced back to the line, and now it has completed the right shoulder. And from here on out, things could break up, especially in an inflationary market. But this right shoulder is complete. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right. And it's a inverse head and shoulders. It's a bearish pattern, and this is a weekly chart. So just going on to the monthly, you can see that is well below the support line there, or resistance. So we'll see what happens next week. I believe that the right shoulder is complete, therefore it is going to go down. S&P. You can see here on the Dow that it is not as beautiful as the S&P is, but it looks almost the same. Let's go to the weekly and just see. We can see from the high over here, the whipsaw, and then back to the line of resistance, making a double top, crashing, coming up, and now completing the right shoulder. We can see a consolidation up here with some, I would look for long wicks on the upside, singling a top on this right shoulder. And then it could do anything it wants, really, but what the chart says is it's bearish. And the media, when the media says, "Oh, we just had the best week of the whole year in the stock market," yeah, you know something's up. They're just setting everybody up for Monday when everyone gets excited and, oh yeah, the market's fine, throw all their money in and lose it all. The media likes to do that a lot. And where you have finally the U.S. dollar. This thing had quite a few days. It ran up to where it is now, went all the way down below 98, and then went all the way back up. So this thing's acting pretty bullish. And as I stated earlier, I think because of inflation, printing money, this thing is going to go. I mean, it's already parabolic, the straight line. But we did have a consolidation phase, and now it's breaking out upwards. Just look at the weekly real quick. You can see how it broke out. And I believe there's some kind of a glitch, because before I wasn't able to get a long-term picture of what's going on with the dollar. But now I can go back to 85. So you can see on this chart, we could see, well, 106, 110, 120. Let's see, back in 2000, it was we weren't far in debt like we are now. So I believe that the world economy is crashing, and because we're able to print money, this thing's going to fly high. And it's not going to bode well for other countries' purchasing power, because they're just going to be swayed to stop using the dollar. And I believe it's already in the process with the BRICS nations, Shanghai Gold Exchange, this and that. They even got their own SWIFT system for processing credit card payments around the world. I forget what it was called, but they have it all set up now. So there you have it. That's the week in review. Silver and gold are going down. I believe the S&P and the Dow are going down, and the dollar is going up. My next video, I'm going to show you why the Feds can't raise interest rates. See ya. Like and share my videos if you like them. Comment if you would. YouTube likes to rank comments pretty well for people.